In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a marketing project in Asana. We'll build a clear, repeatable workspace for your campaigns so you always know what's coming next and who's doing what. Start by creating a new project in Asana. From your home screen, choose to create a project and pick a blank project so you can tailor it to your team. Give it a straightforward name, something like marketing campaigns, and choose the layout you prefer. A list view is great for a structured checklist. A board view is perfect if you like to visualize work moving through stages. You can switch views later, so don't overthink it. Next, set up the backbone of your workflow by adding sections for campaigns, content, design, approvals, and publishing. Campaigns is where you group efforts by initiative or theme. Content holds the copy, blog posts, emails, and social captions you're producing. Design is for all creative assets like graphics and video. Approvals is the checkpoint to confirm quality and compliance before anything goes live. Publishing is where tasks land when they're scheduled or ready to launch. These sections create a simple left-to-right flow that helps everyone see progress at a glance. Now add your work. Every marketing task or content piece should be its own task. Give tasks clear names like blog, Q3 product launch overview, and use the description area to include a brief goal, key messages, and any links to briefs or assets. If a task has multiple parts, consider subtasks to keep the main item tidy while still capturing the details. Assign owners, due dates, platforms, and priorities so nothing slips. Set one assignee per task to establish accountability, and choose realistic due dates that reflect dependencies across content, design, and approvals. Use fields to mark the platform, such as website, email, or social, and set a priority like high, medium, or low. These labels make it easy to filter and focus when timelines get tight. To track progress, use either calendar or board view. Calendar view helps you spot conflicts and gaps across weeks and months, while board view lets you drag tasks from content to design to approvals to publishing as work advances. Encourage the team to update task status as they move work forward. Finally, review the project regularly to keep everything on schedule. A quick weekly scan to check upcoming deadlines, overdue items, and blocked tasks will save you from last-minute scrambles. Adjust dates as needed, leave clear comments, and keep the project tidy so your team always has a single source of truth.